Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. In this video, I will be comparing the display comparison of the Poco X2 versus the Poco M2 Pro device. So the reason why I am doing this video because in the Poco X2 there is an option of increasing the color, so which is called the color boost, so which is available in the security application in the Poco X2 device. So whereas in the Poco M2 Pro you don't have this kind of option. So if you are wondering what is that option and how it helpful, so try to check these videos which are already uploaded on the Poco X2, so you can find a very interesting videos. So as I said, there is an option which will be very helpful, so where you can increase the colors in any application you want, as you can see friends right now. So this is a feature which is available with a Game Turbo 3.0. So right now in the Poco X2 this is running the latest Game Turbo, which is already present in the Redmi K20 Pro's Game Turbo. So in this Game Turbo you do get the option of increasing the colors from normal colors. You get the extreme animated, like good feel, saturated and high contrast and high brightness level colors. So in this video what I'll be doing is that I'll be choosing the extreme colors and I'll try to compare the Poco X2 versus Poco M2 Pro device. So here you will get to know more details about both the phones, which display is the best and why. And both phones, they do have the same kind of IPS LCD panel, so now it easily you can identify which display is the best and which display you need to which phone you need to buy in considering the display. As I said friends, before doing the display comparison, so I did use the VLC media player here, and where I selected with the extreme colors, as you can clearly see in the Poco X2 smartphone. So whereas in the Poco M2 Pro you don't get that kind of option in the Game Turbo. So let me try to open the VLC media right now. So a few of the applications they do come up in the Game Turbo, so few apps doesn't come, like for example MX player or few other players. So try to download few other video players and make sure that is available in the Game Turbo to add as a game. So right now you can see your friends clearly the Poco X2 tends to be having more brightness levels if you observe this kind of area region, as you can see. So which is quite very useful in terms of playing the games as well. You can seriously compare both the phones, Poco M2 Pro versus the Poco X2. So this is the main reason of me doing this another video on comparing the displays between both of the smartphones. The Poco X2 and Poco M2, they both have the IPS LCD panel, but this kind of having additional software thing, so which makes the phone next level in terms of the display. So clearly friends, the display is so far the best in the Poco X2 phone only because of this having additional software thing which is going on here. So that is only available in the Game Turbo. So for example, few of the games like PUBG and other Call of Duty Mobile, so if you use with the extreme settings, you do get high visibility and you can even spot the enemies easily when playing the PUBG game. So using this kind of features, so most of the users, if they have the Poco X2, they need to definitely try this kind of feature here. So once they got their hands on with the phone, so there's a one thing you need to know when you compare which phone to buy between the Poco M2 Pro and the Poco X2 smartphone. So you can clearly see the difference between Poco M2 Pro and the Poco X2. So definitely friends, it's a huge difference. So you can see here the difference between both the smartphones. So it's better to use the moderate settings instead of extreme settings. So if you use the extreme settings, you do get this kind of high brightness and high animated type of feel you do get in the Poco X2. But overall, definitely having this feature makes next level usage in the Poco X2 definitely. So if you're having the Poco X2, you need to try this kind of feature must. So for more videos, to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru. So that's it for this video friends. I just want to make sure that everyone knows about the Poco X2 and Poco M2 Pro in terms of the Game Turbo. So for more videos, to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.